Welcome back to Making All the Plans. I'm Connie, and in our third video of the photo maintenance series, we'll explore some advanced tips and tricks for managing your iPhone photos. If you missed the first two videos covering some of the basics of photo maintenance, I will drop links to them, but let's go ahead and get started. First up, let's talk about iCloud Photo Library. It's a fantastic way to keep your photos safe and accessible across all your Apple devices. To enable your iCloud Photo Library, go to Settings, Your Name, iCloud, Photos, and toggle on Sync this phone. This will upload and store your entire library in iCloud, allowing you to access them from any device. If you're running low on space, use the Optimize iPhone Storage option. This feature stores full resolution photos in iCloud while keeping smaller versions on your device. This way, you save space on your iPhone without losing access to your entire photo library. Did you know that there are smart albums based on specific criteria, like location or even people? This helps in quickly finding and organizing your photos.
So if I click on people and then I click on myself, I can then see all the pictures that I am in, and I can do this by any person that I have added to the albums. If I feel like there are pictures of me missing, I can click on Review Photos, and this will show me all the photos that it wants to make sure that is actually me. So I can scroll through these, and then I can click Review More Photos if I want, or I can just say Done. And some of these are a little tricky because my daughter and I are frequently recognized as the same person, so it's good for me to go in and review every once in a while.
The search function in the Photos app is powerful. You can search by people, places, or even objects within your photos. Try searching for beach and see all your beach photos pop up. You can narrow your search, or you can see all the results, including any picture that has text in it with the word that you searched for. Thanks for joining me in this quick video on advanced tips for managing your iPhone photos. In our next video, we'll discuss regular maintenance and backup strategies to keep your photo library in tip-top shape. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to get notified of future videos. See you next time. Bye.